CIT Tech Tips. My name is Cameron.
And my name is Max.
Today, we're going to talk about the cloud. The cloud is a remote network or server that stores data or runs services remotely instead of directly from your phone. This way, you can increase the amount of storage on your computer or phone without having to install additional hardware.
Most people with Apple devices have probably already heard of the iCloud. You may not be so sure what the cloud really is or how it works. Essentially, the cloud is actually just a bunch of faraway servers that you upload your information to. Because it's expensive to cram lots of storage into a small space or device such as a phone, it's often cheaper for companies like Apple to transfer your storage to Apple storage servers. These servers are known as the iCloud for Apple users.
Where is the cloud? Is it in the sky? No, you bumbling buffoon. A common misunderstanding when it comes to a cloud computing usually comes to the location of information. In reality, there is no specific place you can go to find the cloud because the location of your cloud data can vary depending on the company and the type of data that is stored.
Of course, none of these services are for free. Cloud costs money because your data is taking up space in a server somewhere next to a maintenance guy who's making sure your data is safe and stored effectively. Taking care of these servers costs money. While some companies have really cheap cloud storage, other companies can be more expensive. This can depend on multiple reasons that all vary, like the speed, security, storage space, and accessibility of these servers.
Storing your data in the cloud definitely has its advantages and risks. Data stored in the cloud is typically protected by multi-billion dollar corporations and all the security associated with that. Your cloud data is almost always backed up in two places, meaning if one place your data is somehow compromised or destroyed, you always have a second copy of your data in a separate location. However, loss of data or loss of access to data due to failure of cloud service or unintentional sharing of sensitive data through poor design decisions on the part of the cloud provider are possible.
Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Cam.
And my name is Max.
Please make sure to watch our previous videos on CIT Tech Tips.
Thanks for watching.